In question 3 for Unit 3, I start out with a salary of $38,000. It's going to change by a percentage, and we know that it's going to end up lower. But just to show that it doesn't matter, let's start out with a guess for the percentage that's a positive number. Suppose I get a 5% raise. What will my salary be next year? It would be my original salary, $38,000, plus another 5% of the $38,000. If I go up by 5%, I end up with a higher salary at $39,900. Suppose, though, that my final salary, and this is the real number from the question, is $34,000. What would this percentage have to be to make this $34,000? Let's use goal seek. Data ribbon, what if, goal seek. Make this number be 34,000 by changing the percentage. Notice that the answer comes out negative 11%. That is, we would have to take a pay cut of 11% to go down from 38,000 to 34,000. This is the final answer to the question. But let me show you that you can think of it another way, which is just as good. Suppose I think originally of a pay cut. I start out with 38,000, and I guess that my pay cut will be 7%. Notice that I'm putting in positive 7%. In that case, the formula here should be my salary after a 7% pay cut will be what it is now, here's the point, minus 7% of my current salary. The formula here is the same as this one, except that here I'm subtracting off a percentage. Since I'm subtracting off something, I subtract off a positive amount. Does 7% get me down to $34,000? No, that's not far enough. So again, we'll use goal seek. We'd like this number to be $34,000, and we'll get it there by changing the percentage that we cut. Notice the answer is the same. A pay cut of 11% still takes us down from 38,000 to 34,000. Whether we use an amount that we add and let it come out negative, or a positive amount which we subtract, is up to us. Whichever one feels more comfortable is the best one to choose.